Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can learn some easy skills and sell this skill on Fiverr and earn easy money. So in today's video I will teach you how you can design t-shirts and you can sell this skill on Fiverr, or you can start your own POD business like print on demand business. And in upcoming videos I will also teach you the complete details of print on demand course, and how you can create print on demand store and how you can promote it on Pinterest and other freelancing platforms. So that's it, and now I'm going to Fiverr to show you that there is a demand of this skill. So this is Fiverr is one of the best freelancing platforms where you can sell your services. So here I write t-shirt design, and as you can see 25,000 person providing this service. So so let's analyze one of the gig, and like I click on this one. So in $15, in basic package he charged $15, and in standard he charged $25, and premium he charged $50. And let's see his t-shirts design. So this is a mock-up basically, and we design these graphics. So I will teach you how you can create graphic like this. So that's it. And now I'm using Canva to make t-shirt design graphic, because if I use Photoshop it will take a lot of time. So t-shirt, yeah, this design is good. So here so basically this is the design which we use in our, like, which we check in Fiverr gig. So but let's see if if Canva provide us different graphics or not. Yeah, this one is also good, so I click on this, and this one is good. Place it here, and layer, send backward, and that's good. And I want to change its color in this way, and this, and our graphic is ready. And place send this graphic to your client, so he or she will print it on the t-shirt. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.